Alright, so today we've got a problem with the drainage up here, and we have water seeping out onto our landing and creating ice. So we're going to rip out a stump and put the ripper on and rip through all this ice and a little bit of frost, maybe 6-8 inches of frost, and then put a ditch for the water to go down through. Water seems to be coming out of that bank, out of that hillside, running right out through the landing, making it so I have to sand every day. So we're going to pull that stump out back through here, and then go put the clean out bucket on and put a nice little ditch down through. If you guys can do me a favor and like these videos and subscribe to them, the sooner my videos get monetized, the sooner I can afford a gym membership. trying to use the tilt bucket, but even after trying to thaw it out, I can't get the couplings out of that ice. So I guess we're gonna do it with the digging bucket. All right, it's all done. Water's already starting to get in there. So that should solve that problem. Let it run down there and find its way elsewhere for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. If you made it this far in the video, that tells me that you're just as sad as I am. Or that I'm making good content. And I'm going to try to put out a couple of videos a week. So, shouldn't run out of excitement. Well, probably will, but keep your expectations low.